So this is Mr. Adonis' sperm, and this is Mrs. Adonis' egg, which is also called gametes. And the sperm goes into the egg, which fertilizes it and becomes Lorenzo's zygote, or a zygote. And in the zygote, it has the chromosomes from both his mom and his dad. But Mrs. Adone had the ALD gene, which also passed on to Lorenzo, meaning he had ALD. In meiosis, it's like mitosis, but meiosis doesn't exactly DNA replicate the same thing. It has different amounts of chromosomes and stuff. So that's why Lorenzo doesn't look exactly like Mr. Adone or Mrs. Adone. In prophase 1, meiosis has PMAT, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. But meiosis has two of those, like 2 stages of those. So it would have prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1, and cytokinesis. And there would be prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telekinesis 2, and cytokinesis. In prophase 1, the 2 chromosomes from one of each parent combines together, like crossing over, like they attach to each other, and they're spreading genetic information. In metaphase, the spindle fibers attach onto the attached chromosomes, like crossed over chromosomes. And anaphase, they start to split them apart, but they still have the piece of the other parents, like the chromosome. Then in telophase and cytokinesis, the zygote finally splits and becomes two like cells, but the difference between mitosis and meiosis is if it was splitting the DNA in cells, it would have the same amount of the other chromosomes, but this time it only has one of the chromosomes, and like one of each chromosome. So this is like the dad chromosome, which has part of its mom, and this is the mom chromosome with part of its dad, and then etc. It just splits and goes on to meiosis 2 stages.
After meiosis 1 is over, meiosis 2 immediately begins. During prophase 2, the spindle fibers start to form. In metaphase 2, the chromosomes start lining up in the middle of the cell, and the spindle fibers start connecting to the chromosomes, getting ready to split apart. After metaphase 2, anaphase 2 comes, and the centromere starts to divide in between the 2 chromosomes, and the double-stranded chromosomes split into a single-stranded chromosome with spindle fibers pulling on them each, making them a single-stranded. Telophase 2 comes after this, and partially cytokinesis. This is where the spindle fiber disappears and the nuclear membrane reappears. This is where 4 cells are made, producing 4 haploid daughter cells with two single-stranded chromosomes are here.